Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
This is my recipe of making South Indian peanut and coconut chutney. Probiotic, iron, fiber, protein loaded, diabetic friendly, immunity and digestion boosting, diabetic and heart friendly. But before I tell you the recipe, it's Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Nama. Break away our false and misleading assumptions and presumptions. Bless us with keen curiosity, sharp sight, and clear hearing, far-sighted vision, true knowledge, and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. I use peanuts only, while in South India, split chickpeas are also added. So first, as usual, roast the peanuts till they lose all the moisture and a woody knocking sound is heard. When done, set aside the roasted peanuts to lose its heat and cool down a shade. Bring back the fry pan, add peanut oil to it, and now take a tomato, dice it or cube it and saute it. And saute till the time the tomato begins to soften just a shade. There, that's almost done. And when done, remove from heat and yes, along with the peanuts to cool down a shade. Now, when both are cool, add them to a blender. You can use a pestle and mortar or a silbatta also. Now add desiccated coconut, which I add, but not many do, along with curd and yogurt. But generally tamarind or lemon juice is used, and a swig of curry leaves and green chilies. Black salt, roasted cumin, coriander powder, jaggery, and blend into a smooth peanut chutney paste. Pour and set aside to add the temper or tadka in. Now for the tadka or the temper. Peanut oil to a small or tadka fry pan. Sun-dried red chilies, mustard seeds, and red chili powder. Now, as it begins to sizzle, add the curry leaves. Now, as the sizzle dies down, our temper or tadka is ready. Pour and add to the peanut chutney paste and stir just a shade to mix. Now pour in a serving bowl and set aside till to be served.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear and above all your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.